Facts and Characters of the Play King Henry VI Part 1 by William Shakespeare. It is a history play and it was written around 1589 to 1591. It is based on Holinshed's Chronicles of and English History. Plays in series first play of the Henry VI trilogy. Historical period early 15th century, 100 years war with France. Main theme loss of English power in France, weak kingship, rivalry among English nobles, rise of Joan of Arc, opening scene funeral of King Henry V. Ending England losing control over France, internal divisions growing. Major characters King Henry VI, son of Henry V, crowned king as a child, gentle, religious, and weak ruler, can't control powerful nobles, symbol of weak leadership. Duke of Bedford, uncle of Henry VI, regent of France, loyal and capable leader, tries to continue Henry V's legacy. Duke of Gloucester, uncle of Henry VI, protector of England, honest and patriotic, opposed by corrupt nobles. Duke of Exeter, loyal supporter of King Henry VI, defender of unity and order. English nobles and warriors. Richard Plantagenet, later known as Duke of York, claims the English throne, starts rivalry between York and Lancaster. His claim leads to future civil war. Earl of Warwick supports Richard Plantagenet, an influential noble. Earl of Salisbury, father of Warwick, supports the Yorkist claim. Duke of Somerset, enemy of Richard Plantagenet and represents Lancaster faction. Lord Talbot, greatest English general in France, brave, patriotic, heroic, symbol of old English honor, dies fighting for England. John Talbot, young Talbot, son of Lord Talbot, brave but inexperienced, dies with his father in battle. French characters Joan of Arc, French heroine and warrior, claims divine guidance, helps France defeat England, shown as clever and manipulative in the play. Charles, Dauphin of France, later becomes King Charles VII, weak at first, gains confidence through John. Duke of Burgundy, initially supports England, later joins France after persuasion by John. Countess of Aragon, tries to trap Talbot, learns about true nobility and courage. Key themes: weak kingship versus strong leadership, national pride and patriotism, loss of English glory after Henry V, beginning of Wars of the Roses, father-son relationship, Talbots. Why this play is important? Shows how England's decline began after Henry V, introduces political rivalry that dominates later plays, combines history, tragedy and patriotism. Thanks for watching.